Hi, this is Ian Thompson and Associates at our great new listing at 645 Railway Avenue. One of the things you'll notice right away is it's almost 12,000 square foot lot. Put that in perspective, if they were building this home today, there'd actually be almost 3 homes on here. But now you get it all for yourself. Nice views of Mount Benson, and we're backing on a city park. It's a level entry style with the primary bedroom on the main and loads of room downstairs for extended family, income perhaps, and a whole lot more. Let's have a look inside. When family and friends come over, they want to enjoy the nice big kitchen area with a large island and the dining room and a sliding door to the backyard. Once you're in the open concept living room, a gas fireplace, nice place to sit, and a big picture window to enjoy the view. We all know interest rates are on the rise, and it looks like they're going to keep going. This puts pressure on home buyers, so they need options. Here at 645 Railway, you have those in spades. Nice kitchen layout, so it could be for extended family. Students at VIU with 2 more bedrooms down here. Or hey, keep the whole house and you can send the older kids down here with a great rec room space. This great house has all the space you need, and it's priced sharply for today's market. 3 bedrooms on the main and lots more room downstairs, all in a 12,000 square foot lot. Call your agent today to book a viewing at 645 Railway.